Evening guys, today I'm going to do a video on something that a lot of people have experienced, I think. Something along these lines is not my phone, but I think a lot of people have experienced that, or at least know someone who has. That's what happens when you drop your phone on slate. So this is an iPhone 3GS, and I'm going to put some new glass on it. I've got the glass, and we'll just zoom down a little table I've got set up down there, and we'll go from there. So these are the items that you'll need. This is a kit that I bought off eBay. This is the SIM card key as provided by Apple. The other bits and pieces are the digitizer glass itself, static proof bag, not very necessary if you ask me, and also the adhesive pads for the phone. The kit came with 2 pry bars, 2 small screwdrivers, suction cup, and I think this is another pry kit, and a guitar plectrum, which I will be using to remove the broken bits of glass, I think. So let's get into it. It's turned off already. So what we'll do now is remove the SIM card by inserting the key at the top, pulling out the little tray, SIM card removed. Okay, so next there's some small screws that are located just down in there. I'll zoom. There's one screw there, one screw there. So we'll pull them out. And pull out the other screw. Let's try this with the suction cup. There we go. And you pull that gently because there's some cables that are located just down in the bottom there. So the first one simply lifts off. These are small plugs by the look of it. And there's the second one. Now the third one. Lift the little lever. I'll zoom right in so you can see it. There's a just here on the front, it's tiny. There's a small little lever which clamps that one in. The rest are just small plug arrays just there and there. So that's the phone itself dealt with. So we'll put that aside. Now we have the screen and digitizer. Our small Phillips. There's a screw in the top here, so I'll remove that. That is microscopic. And if you can see, this is it on the end of the screwdriver. It is minuscule. Put that over there. Now there's two more on the side. Also minuscule. And 3 on this side by the look of things. Now, in order to make it less obvious that I've avoided the warranty on this, I'm going to wipe all those fingerprints as much as possible from the whole inside of the phone, so there's less showing that I've opened the phone. Trying to find locations to insert the screwdriver is fun. Okay, I think down and just into the screw hole, I think, is the best option. Just sneak in between. Oh, I think that's up enough. I'll gently pull that away. Just like that. So that's the screen removed, and do not touch it or you'll get fingerprints on it. So now we have the digitizer assembly. Okay, so I'm going to heat this with the hairdryer and soften the glue, and then we'll come back. Why is this still hot? Okay, so the button tries to unseat itself. So now I've got one end free in shards of glass. I'll heat the other end and try and pull off as much as possible in one go. which is not a lot. As you can see, still covered in glass. I think that's why we get the plectrum. So I've got most of the glass off now. In fact, I think I've got all the glass off now. And I found that the pry bars, little pry tools that they've given us, or given me, are the best for the job. Use them like a little, just like I'm doing here. Let's clear off. I mean, this glass, oops, this glass is seriously like about 1.5 millimeters thick. It is so thin, it is unbelievable. No wonder they always break. I also recommend wearing goggles if possible, because you get tiny little shards flying everywhere. So use your little pry bar, like a little bulldozer, to scrape off the excess glue and glass, etc. I think that's about as good as we'll get. So now, once my glue's been removed, make sure it's clean, blow out any excess glass. And as you can see, there's lots of little glass shards. So there's the new digitizer. So first thing, I need to apply our glue. Okay. So yeah, for the digitizer. Now there's lots of little protective sheets on this. So what I think we'll do, well, first we'll remove if I can get my finger under it. There we go. The adhesive, just like that.